In versions of Excel prior to Excel 2013, the ability to create combo charts uses different screens. It enables the same thing but different screens. So for example, here we've got our chart. We've actually got 3 series. At the moment you can only see 2. So the first thing we want to do is we want to see the hidden series, which is called duration of calls. The reason it cannot be seen is because it's a very small number, so we need it on a secondary axis. So a way to get it onto the secondary axis is I'm going to go to the layout, and over here I can highlight duration of calls, so you can see it's all been highlighted there. I'm going to say format selection. I'm going to have to put it onto a secondary axis. When I say close, you'll see we can now see it because it's been plotted against the secondary axis. To now create the combination, the combo charts, I just right click on the chart series I want to change. You'll see here it says change series chart type, not change chart type, series chart type. Click on it. Now I'm changing that series and I'm going to make that one an area chart. When I click OK, you'll see it gets put into an area chart in the background. Perhaps now we want the orange column to be a line, so I can go right click on that one. I say change series chart type. I choose the line, and when I say OK, a line is added. So you can do this relatively easy by just pointing at the chart, right clicking, choosing the change series chart type. Just keep in mind that you may occasionally have to put things onto a secondary axis so you can actually see it.